Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to discuss the topic Errand formula. Topics to be covered in this chapter are Introduction, Area of Triangle by Errand formula, Related Problems. What is Errand formula? The Errand formula is nothing but the formula given by Errand. He is an Egyptian and he gave a formula to find the area of any triangle whose sides are unknown. For example, here we have PQR is a triangle and ABC are the sides of the triangle. Find area of this triangle. That is nothing but square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, then s minus c, where s is called semi-perimeter of the triangle. We know perimeter is nothing but sum of the length of all the sides. Half of the perimeter only we can call it as semi-perimeter. So S is the meaning is semi-perimeter. ABC are the sides of the triangle. The proof was given in the book called Metrica, is written by Errand, called Errand formula. We know how to find the area of equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and right angle triangle. Any triangle, for example, something like this, how to find the area of this triangle. The Errand formula is applicable for any type of triangle. That is the speciality of the formula. You can find the area of any type of triangle by using Errand formula if you know the sides of the triangle. Once if you know the sides of the triangle, you can find the area of triangle by using Errand formula. Why study Errand formula? So we have real life situation where we have to find the area of triangle or area of land. Let's suppose we have a land like this. You can find the area of this land. How will you find area of this land? First we need to measure the sides of the land. By using measuring tape, we can find the sides of the land. Then this land, it's going to divide into two triangles. First you will calculate the area of ABC, then calculate area of BDC. Then add, if you are adding these two triangles, you will get the area of this land. So it is typically used to find the area of land can be triangular or quadrilateral. It is quadrilateral means break into various of triangle and find the area of land. Let's see the exercise 12.1. First question, a traffic signal board indicating school late. It is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of signal board by using Errand formula. It is perimeter is 180 centimeter. What will be the area of the signal board? So it's mentioned it's an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle means all the sides will be equal. The sides also it's given A. And perimeter is 180 centimeter. It's equal to 180 centimeter. So first using this perimeter, first calculate the side. So perimeter is A plus B plus C is equal to 180 centimeter. So you want to add all the sides of the triangle. So here we have the side is A. So A plus A is equal to 180 centimeter. 3A is equal to 180 centimeter. So it is in multiply. If you are moving that side, it should be divide. A is equal to 180 centimeter by 3. So 3 table you can cancel 1s are 60s are. So 63s are 180. So A is equal to 60 centimeter. And next calculate semi-perimeter. So S is equal to semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter only we can call it as S. So 180 by 2. So 1s are 9 2s are 18. So add 0. So S is equal to 90 centimeter. So we got the S and sides of the triangle. Next find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So s is 90. So 90 minus a is 60. All the sides will be equal. So a, b, c all 6 centimeter. So 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60. So square root of 90. 90 minus 60 is 30. So again 90 minus 60 is 30. Then 90 minus 60 is 30. So next you want to take the square root. So 90 we can split into 30 into 3. So 30 into 30. So already we know how to take the square root. So 30 we have 4 times. So we can take the square root. 30 into 30. Then 3 we cannot able to take the square root. So keep it as it is. So 30 into 30 is, it's 900 root 3 centimeter square. So area of the signal board is it's equal to 900 root 3 centimeter square. So if we know S and side means, by using Heron formula we can find the area of triangle. Next question, the triangle side wall of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the wall are 122 centimeter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement held on earning rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company had one of its wall off for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So the sides is given 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. Then you need to find out first the area of triangle. So A is equal to 122 meter, B is equal to 22 meter, C is equal to 120 meter. So first calculate S. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So 122 plus 22 plus 120 by 2. So if you are adding, you will get 264 by 2. So cancel with 2 table 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, then 2 2s are 4. So S is equal to 132 centimeter. So first find the area of wall. So area of the wall is equal to area of wall. It's equal to square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, then S minus C. So S is 132 centimeter. So substitute 132 minus 20, 122, 132 minus 22, 132 minus 120. The three sides we will subtract. So square root of 132 multiply 132 minus 122 is 10. Then 132 minus 22 is 110. Then multiply 132 minus 120 is, it's 12. Then if it is possible to split the number means you can split. So 132 we can split 12 into 11 plus multiply. So 132 we can split 12 into 11, then multiply 10, then 110 we can split 11 into 10, then 12. Then check whether we have two numbers 12, then 11 we have 2 times. So 10 also we can take 2 times. So we can take the square root of these numbers. So 12 into 11 into 10. So 12 into 11 into 10 is 1320 meter square. So next you want to calculate the rent for that flyover. Okay. So advertisement held on hearing is rupees 5,000 per meter square. So we know very well 1 year is 12 months. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. But we need to find out What is the cost for only 3 months? So rent for 12 months is given. Rent for 12 months, it's equal to rupees 5,000. What is the cost for per month? So rent for 1 month means we want to divide. Rent for 1 month, it's equal to rupees 5,000 by 12. So what is the cost for 3 months? We are going to use that advertisement for only 3 months. So we need to find out rent for 3 months. It's equal to rupees 5,000 divided by 12 into 3. So cancel. 1s are 3 4s are 12. So once if you are cancelling, you will get rupees 1,250. So this is the cost for 350. Then we have how much area we have? 1,320 meter square we have. So this is the cost for only 3 months per meter square. So multiply rupees 1250. Then we have 1,320 meter square. So multiply, you will get rupees 165,000. 16,15,000. The cost for rent month is rent for 3 months 16,50,000. Next question, find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 80 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Find the perimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Here you want to find the area of triangle. Two sides are given. So A is equal to 18 centimeter, B is equal to 10 centimeter. Then perimeter is 42 centimeter. So by using this perimeter, first calculate what is the side of third side of the triangle. So perimeter is equal to 42 centimeter. That is A plus B plus C is equal to 42 centimeter. So A is 18 centimeter, 10 centimeter. C we don't know. That one we want to find out now. So keep it as it is. So 18 plus 10 is 28 centimeter plus C is equal to 42 centimeter. So C is equal to 42 centimeter minus 28 centimeter. So C is equal to 14 centimeter. So we know 14. So we got the C is equal to third side is 14 centimeter. So we know A, B, C. Then if you want to find out the area means we need to know semi-perimeter. So S is equal to perimeter by 2. So 42 by 2. Calculate. Cancel 1s are 2 2s are 4. Then 1. So S is equal to 21 centimeter. Next substitute in Yaran's formula and find the area of triangle. So area of triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is equal to 21. Then 21. A is 18 minus 18 centimeter. Then 21 minus 10. Then 21 minus 14. So square root of 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. So 21 we can split. 7 3s are 21. So then 3 into 11 into 7. So 3 we have 2 times, so we can take the square root. 7 also we have 2 times, so we can take the square root. So 7 into 3 square root of 11. So 11 we have only one number, so keep it as it is. So 7 3s are 21 square root of 11 centimeter square. So area of triangle is equal to 21 root 11 centimeter square. Fourth question, side of a triangle or in the ratio is given and its perimeter is given, find area. The sides are, it's given in ratio. So first we have to consider the sides are, let the sides of the triangles are triangles are 12x, 17x and 25x. So by using perimeter, first calculate three sides. So 12x, 17x plus 25x, it's equal to 540 perimeter. So 540 perimeter. So 12 plus 17 plus 25 is 54. 54x is equal to 540. So x is equal to 54 if it is coming this side, division 540 divided by 54, cancel 1 time and 10 time, x is equal to 10. Once if you are getting x value, substitute in the sides. So 12 into x is, 12x is equal to 12 into 10, 120 centimeter. Then 17x, 17 into 10 is equal to 170 centimeter. 25, x is equal to 25 into 10, 250 centimeter. So we got the sides. Then calculate semi-perimeter. So s is equal to 540 divided by 2. So 540 divided by 2 is 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, balance is 1, 7 twos are 14, 0. So s is equal to 270. We got the side as 120, 170 and 250. So substitute by using Heron's formula, you will calculate the area. So area of triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So square root of 270, 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170, 270 minus 250. So square root of 270 into 270 minus 120 is 150. Then 270 minus 170 is 100. Then 270 minus 250 is 20. So then you can split the number. 270 we can split 9 into 30. Then 150 we can split 5 into 30. Then 100 we can split 5 into 20. Then 20. So 20 we have 2 times. 5 is also 2 times. And 30 also 2 times. 9 is the square root. So 9 square root is 3. Then 30, 5. Then 20. So 30 into 3 into 5 into 20. Once if you are multiplying, you will get 9000 centimeter square. So the area of triangle is area of triangle. It's equal to 9000 centimeter square. So the sides are given in ratio. First you should assume the sides are 12x, 17x and 25x. By using perimeter, calculate x value, then substitute in that. Then you will get the sides, calculate semi-perimeter, then substitute in Heron's formula. You will get the area of